family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clementina and today I'll be showing you how to quickly clean your Airbnb kitchen using just 5 essential tools: a mop, a dustpan, a broom, a few microfiber cloth, and some liquid dish soap. If you want to see how it's done, then stick around as I transform this kitchen and make it shine. So the previous guest did a great job trying to wash dishes, but she left some in the sink and I noticed a few stains after checking them. So I am currently hand washing instead of using dishwasher, and then I'll also be drying them using a towel and then neatly put them away. Wrapping up, I also checked through the cabinets to ensure there's no food residue and rearrange everything as it was. And for my final touches, I used microfiber cloth and dish soap to wipe down all surfaces, including the stove, cabinets door, island, around the sink, and then do not forget the microwave. And make sure you check inside the oven and check all the cabinets, any pockets that in that kitchen, guys. Make sure you go through it and ensure that it is clean. last thing I like to do is use my dustpan and a broom to sweep the floor, and then the mop to mop the floor. Stay tuned everyone, I'll be back with another video sharing where I find my affordable cleaning tools and how I take care of them to make them last. If you're interested, stick around. I have more great content coming your way, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!